Imagine being like them people in that plane. I was scared of that.
Yeah, go.
Oh my god, that's boss. No, as you can see, it's bits of sky. I mean, no plane. The zoom on this is crap. It zooms in like 4%. Oh, look, the crown.
I'm just done.
That's more interesting.
Hey. Look. It zooms in. Oh, look at the grass.
You watch this video over and I'll be like, well, this is not going on YouTube.
Oh, the plane.
The first one comes in. The second one comes in.
The racing. Oh, you know what it's like? Have you ever been on a Wii where you're playing them plane games? It's like that. I'm going for the third one with the blue stripe. No, the second one.
I'm just taking pictures now.
Boom, boom.